Hey Pradeep, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great one, a good one, and a great year ahead. And as we say in Hindi, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000, जन्मदिन मुबारक हो.
Hi Pradeep. Actually, when I joined GRC, I was not very comfortable. I used to ping you. I have it in your head so much. I have pinged you like 20 times a day. At one point, I thought maybe you are going to block me now, but you didn't. So I realized, okay, now I am very comfortable in GRC now, and I think that's because of you. So I think that I became very comfortable in GRC. GRC is a good team, but I really get it now that it doesn't matter if it is a domain specific or a team specific. If any team has Pradeep, it is going to do an amazing job. How dumb the teammates are doesn't matter. So I think that's the crown you carry with you. I wish you a very happy birthday and many more years of happiness and health. Bye.
Hi Pradeep, many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead. Thanks for the constant support you have been giving me from day one. Thanks a lot. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hey Pradeep, I guess everyone on the team would be wishing you in English, so I like to wish you in Tamil. இனிய பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். You have been providing a great support as well as energy to the team. I wish you to provide the same to the entire team. Once again, wish you many more appearances of the day. Stay safe and take care. Have a good day.
Hi Pradeep, happy birthday. It's just been a month, but I feel like I already know you. You're this most amazing, sweet, and most easygoing person I know in this team. I wish you all the happiness, success, and growth in coming years. Happiest birthday again. Have a fantastic day. Bye.
Hey Pradeep, many more happy returns of the day. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead. Keep inspiring us and keep enlightening us. Well, remember one thing, you owe us a party, and we are pretty much interested and looking forward to it.
Happy birthday, Pradeep. Thank you for understanding us so well.
Hi Pradeep, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you and your family, and you may achieve whatever you want to achieve in the near future. And thank you for being there and helping us and supporting in whatever way you can. Thank you, Pradeep, and wish you a very happy birthday again. Bye.
Pirantanal Valtukkal. Better I will go with English. Many happy returns of the day, Pradeep. Stay healthy and stay strong.
Hey Pradeep, ignore the background. Many happy returns of the day, and have a bash, party hard, and we'll meet soon. Bye bye.
Hi Pradeep. I know we haven't interacted a lot, but you seem to be a very interesting guy with a lot of passions and interests. And I like to surround myself with such people. Even I like wine a lot, red wine especially. So probably we'll have wines together sometime. I have also missed out on working with you, so probably I'm looking out for that in the future. Last but not the least, many happy returns of the day, and I hope that you have an amazing birthday, one of the best birthdays, and you love all the gifts we have given you and your family has given you, and all the best for your future. Thank you. Cheers.
Many happy birthday, Pradeep. It's been more than 3 months since joined this organization, and I am working with you. I have a very wonderful experience. The one thing that I really admire about you is your approach, the carefree approach, the way you approach us for any any task, and this help us not to get overburdened with the deadline or any accountability, and continue working with our own speed and comfort. This really help us initially and even now, and continue to going to help us in the future also. So I'm looking forward for your continuous guidance and insight, help, assistance. Thank you so much for all your support and guidance, and once again many happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Hi Pradeep, happy birthday. Stay strong and stay healthy. Once again, Putin Roju Subhakankshalu. Bye.